make lazy-style tossed lotus seeds and black wood air fungus today.
Exactly! Cold tossed dishes are the easiest to make, plus they're healthier with less oil and no need for frying or boiling. This lotus seed and wood ear salad soothes the mind and nourishes the heart, while also cleansing the body. The ingredients are just black fungus and lotus seeds. Suggest to buy lotus seeds with the cores already removed to save time. Just rinse the lotus seeds and steam them with the black fungus. Of course, boiling them is also fine, whatever is easier for you. I prefer steaming. Just rinse the ingredients, get them ready, and steam them. It's really no trouble at all. Steaming lotus seeds typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes. After washing the black fungus, cut off the tough parts of the roots and then slice it into small pieces. Then it's ready to steam. The part we cut off is the hard, dirty root or stem base of the fungus. We remove it because it's tough to chew and difficult to clean thoroughly. Black fungus is rich in dietary fiber, acting as a natural cleaner for the gut. It helps promote digestion and keeps your intestines clear. Black fungus also only needs to be steamed for about 15 to 20 minutes. Seasoning: 1 TSP vegan oyster sauce, 1 TSP salt, 1 TSP sugar, 1 TSP mushroom powder, drizzle sesame oil. If you like the tangy taste of black vinegar, feel free to add some, just adjust according to your preference. Then mix it well with the steamed lotus seeds and it's ready. Serve and let's dig in. This cold dish is super easy to make, right? I wonder if everyone enjoys these simple, lazy recipes. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I didn't use many lotus seeds today because I also used them to make another savory dish and a sweet soup. I'll share the videos with you all after editing. The benefits of this combination are a perfect match. Lotus seeds help calm your mind and nourish your heart, while black fungus acts like a tiny brush to clean out your gut. One nourishes, the other cleanses, the brilliant pairing. Let me tell you, black fungus has so many benefits. First, it's rich in dietary fiber and acts as a cleanser for your gut, aiding digestion. Second, it's high in iron, making it a great natural food for boosting blood health. Third, it's low in calories and keeps you feeling full, which is perfect for managing weight. Fourth, it helps your body detox and get rid of impurities. And finally, it's also really good for your cardiovascular health by helping maintain healthy blood vessels. Lotus seeds are really nutritious. First, they're rich in protein and various vitamins, making them a fundamental nutrient source. Second, their unique alkaloids have a calming effect, which is great if you have trouble sleeping. Third, they're packed with dietary fiber that promotes bowel movement. Fourth, they contain trace elements like zinc and manganese that support body metabolism. Finally, they also have antioxidant components that help slow down aging. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Did you know, in ancient times, black fungus was called tree chicken, not because it tastes like chicken, but because it grows on trees and has a similarly plump, meaty texture. Fresh black fungus actually contains a light sensitive toxin. Eating it fresh and then being in the sun can cause skin itchiness, but it becomes perfectly safe after being dried and then rehydrated before consumption. It's not just an ingredient, but also a traditional Chinese medicine. It was recorded in the Compendium of Materia Medica for its ability to boost energy and strengthen the body. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.